Hello, everybody. Good day. My name is Adam Yusuf Ayomide, a student of MMM Guided School, batch 2017-06-09, group 29. I'm going to be taking you through MMM ideology, rules, and benefits. Ideology, let's go. MMM is an acronym for Mavrodi Mundia Money Box. That's the meaning of MMM. Comes from that Mavrodi Mundia Money Box. MMM is a financial mutual aid peer-to-peer community founded by Sergey Mavrodi, a Russian mathematician and scientist, in 1989. So MMM was founded in 1989 by our great mentor Sergey Mavrodi. And MMM is a peer-to-peer community. It's where you donate your spare cash, money, instead of keeping it under your pillow. The money that is not useful to you, immediately you donate to another participant. You donate today, tomorrow you receive. Then MMM is a financial revolutionary concept created to tackle the world unfair financial system. MMM is not a business nor investment. I cannot say I want to invest in MMM. I cannot say I want to make MMM my business. But you donate today, you receive tomorrow. It's a peer-to-peer community. The MMM concept is similar to the banking system concept of crowdfunding. Participants volunteer to provide help or spare cash to fellow participants who needs the donation. So you are a participant, you have money with you, you don't need it immediately, you don't need it right away. You just donate. All you need to donate to another participant in MMM. You transfer it directly to his account. There's no central account. You transfer it directly to his account. Then tomorrow you might be in need again. Tomorrow another participant transfer to your account with accrued interest. So MMM is not legal, it's not illegal. MMM does not have a central account where participant money is being stored. I've said it earlier, MMM doesn't have a central account where money is being stored. So I'm going to take you through rules of MMM. So the rules of MMM: number one, multiple account per user is not allowed. It's not allowed. All accounts would be blocked. All multiple accounts, all accounts will be blocked by the CRO. Dishonesty is not allowed. Provide help with spare cash. Don't use all your money. Don't use all your money. I have told you earlier. Said you provide help with spare cash. The money you don't need instantly. You provide money with spare cash. Then proof of payment must be uploaded and confirmation of payment by the recipient. You have to provide the proof of payment after being paid. After you have paid, after you might have paid, you just upload your teller or the proof of payment or the screenshot. Just upload it. Then the recipient can now confirm you that you have really paid. Then how does MMM works? I want to take you through how MMM works. A prospective participant volunteers to provide help and is registered on the online portal. The participant donates spare cash voluntarily to another participant when matched to provide help of the portal. The participant donation accrue 30% growth in 1 month. So when you want to provide help, you click on PH. I want to provide help in the portal. You provide help, then you will be matched with another participant to transfer that is in need of the cash. Then you transfer the money directly to the participant account. No central account. Transfer the money, then yours will now be growing. In a month, it will accrue 30% growth interest. when that you can now withdraw, that you can now request for after a month. After a month. Now, the participant donation are exchanged for Marvelous. So after you have donated your money, you have transferred the money to the participant, you upload your proof of payment, then you have been confirmed by the recipient, then now your money now turns to Marvel. Then your Marvels will now begin to grow. It begins to grow every Tuesday and Thursdays. Marvel is the unit of donation a participant who donated on the MMM portal gets. Marvel growth is 30% of any donation made per month and 50% for Bitcoin donations. So if you are donating with Bitcoin, then you'll be having 50% growth per month. But if you are donating with your local coin, local currency, then you'll be accruing 30% growth per month. The Marvels are unconfirmed until donation of spare cash is sent voluntarily by donor. It's not by force until you send your donation voluntarily yourself, then your Marvels will not be confirmed. It is unconfirmed until you send your money voluntarily to another participant that is in need of the cash. Receive and confirm on the personal office of the recipient. So MMM acts as an escrow between donor and recipient. Donor is confirmed to receive help after making payment. Marvels are frozen for a certain period. After freezing period, Marvels are unfrozen and are available to be acquired by the participant. So after your donation, the Marvels will be frozen for some time. After some time, then the Marvels will be unfrozen for you to withdraw them. Then benefits of joining the Mavrodian community. I'm happy. I can say I'm proud to be a Mavrodian. So there are many benefits to join the Mavrodian community. The bonuses, first and foremost, when you sign up or you register, you with $50, within the range of $50 to $499, then you have a bonus of $20 extra as a registration bonus. Then when you sign up with $500 to $2,999, then you have a registration bonus of $50. Or you increase your donation $3,000 and above, then you have a registration bonus of $100. Referral bonuses at 10%. Then video bonuses, you can have video bonuses and letter of happiness. Maybe after you might have received your money, you're happy about it, you write a letter of happiness, you want to make a video and let the world knows what MMM has really done for you. You can make the video, record, show your face. When your face is being visible, then you receive 5%. But when your face is not visible, that is anonymous, then you have 3%. Then another thing is guider bonuses. With the guiders they have some bonuses from their downlines. There's 5% for the first level, 3% for the second level, and 1% for the third level. Then holiday bonuses. When there is holiday, like festive periods, we have bonuses also. Then there are more benefits of MMM. Other benefits like financial freedom. it gives you financial freedom when you join MMM community. Then unconscious learning of computer skills. Unconscious learning of computer skills helps you a lot in during the operation, getting involved in MMM. Unconsciously, you begin to learn computer skills. Then it connects people, connecting people from various countries together through their participation in MMM. So far, so good. We have gone through MMM ideology, the rules, and the benefits. So I want to encourage you to join the Mavrindians, to join the community. It's going to help you a lot. MMM has really changed many lives. It has really changed many lives. I'm happy to be a Mavrindian. Come join us. Thanks.